Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of Tech It Simple, where I'm going to teach you how you can change your name in Zoho Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change your name in Zoho Mail, you first have to open your Zoho Mail application. Now, after opening the application, you can see your profile icon in the top right side. You just simply have to click on that option. From there, you can go to the My Account section by clicking on the My Account button. After coming to the My Account section, you can see this edit icon just beside your name and email address. Click on that edit button. From here, you can change your first name, last name, and also the display name. Just simply set your new name here, scroll down, then click on the Save button. After doing that, your user details will successfully be updated, meaning your name will successfully be changed in your Zoho email address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.